Good afternoon, friends. I'm so excited to show you what I'm busy with. Over the next few weeks in our Creative City Changes small groups, we'll dive into collage and mixed media art. And I'm getting a head start by making my own collage papers. I'm using leftover printouts from previous group sessions. They just ordinary printer papers, but instead of tossing them out, I'm recycling them into unique collage sheets. Here's one of the first papers I made. I even found an old book at a pawn shop for just 10 Rand. The papers are perfect for collage texture. This next sheet was painted in rich browns, burnt umber and copper tones. I love the earthy texture. My favorite one so far has soft pink and light brown undertones. It reminds me of a frothy cappuccino. For this last paper, I brushed on a layer of Mod Podge, then added alcohol inks, blending fluid and a touch of gold leaf for shimmer. These are just a few ideas to inspire your own collage paper stash. Once you have your canvas and focal image ready, simply tear these painted pages into smaller pieces and start building your beautiful collage artwork. Thank you for watching. Happy creating, and if you enjoyed this sneak peek, don't forget to like, follow and subscribe so you won't miss the next projects coming up.